Welcome to this Hobbii granny square tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to make these gorgeous solid granny squares. We're going to begin the pattern with making a magic ring. And if you're not familiar with the magic ring, please make sure to practice this a lot before you start making your granny square, as it can be quite tricky to get it right. We're going to begin the first round by chaining 4, which is actually equivalent to 1 double crochet plus chain 1. We're going to make 3 double crochets inside the magic ring, and then we're going to chain 2. So that's our first double crochet. There we go. Then we're going to make another one like so, and a third one. Then remember, we're going to chain 2. 1 and 2. Then we're going to repeat this 3 times in total. So that's our first double crochet there. I'm gonna do another one and a third one. There we go. And now we're gonna chain 2 again and do one more cluster the same way as we did the last 2. So double crochet numero 1, and then the second double crochet and the third. Chain the last 2, and now we're going to be doing 2 double crochets, and then eventually we're going to join with 1 slip stitch in the third chain. And now we're going to tighten the thread to make sure that it's tight. We're going to cut it and actually change to our next color, which in this case is this cute green. And we're going to start with the second round now. All right, so we start off by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now we're going to be making 2 double crochets in the chain space. And now we're going to be making 1 double crochet in each stitch across until we reach the next corner space. So I'm making another double crochet here, and then moving on to the next stitch. Now we're going to yarn over, and we got to the corner part, so we're going to make 1 double crochet, the second double crochet, we're going to chain 2, so that is 1, 2, and then we're going to make 2 more double crochets, and that is what basically makes our corner. Then we're going to keep making double crochets in every stitch until we get to the next corner. There we go, that's 1 double crochet, another double crochet, and another double crochet, and then we got to our corner again. Gonna yarn over as usual, and then we're gonna make 2 double crochets. There we go, 1 and then second one. Then we're gonna chain 2. I'm gonna make 2 more double crochets in the same chain space. This is gonna be our corner here, and then we're gonna continue making double crochets into every single stitch until we get to the final corner. It can get hard a little bit sometimes to do these, but there we go. We're in the last corner, and we're gonna make 1 and 2 double crochets. We're gonna chain 2. And then 2 more double crochets in the same chain space or in the corner space, and then simply make double crochets into each stitch. And before you get to the end, you have to actually make a double crochet in the first corner space, and as soon as you've done that, you can actually slip stitch in the third chain, tighten the thread, and there we go. We're now ready to move on to round 3, which is actually, surprise, surprise, the same way as round 2. And as a matter of fact, round 4 and round 5 are actually also the same. The only thing to keep in mind is that you do the increases in the corners. So that means that in the corners, you will always have 2 groups of 2 double crochets with 2 chains in between them. Otherwise, you will double crochet in every single stitch. And that's pretty much it. It's quite easy, it's fun, it's versatile, and I'm excited to see your color combinations. If you enjoyed this video, you're welcome to like it. You're also welcome to subscribe to our channel if you want to get inspired, to check out more video tutorials. And you're always welcome to leave a comment, whether that's a question or maybe just a suggestion for a different type of granny square.